Okay, how much money is it?
100,000.
Try again.
100,000.
Makes how much? Makes.
100,000.
The Curiosities of Fate. Fate has a curious way of leaving breadcrumbs. Some are small, barely noticeable, while others seem to call out to you, challenging the edges of your contentment. It's not always clear which to follow.
A little way down the road from our home, there is a small shop. A building of whether to come to. Its shutter half drawn like it's in quiet contemplation. We pause it often. Sometimes it does stare. A piece of scenery like the hills beyond or the familiar bends in their road, but no, it feels different. It lingers in our minds as those fake are marketed for our attention.
What could it be? A venture, a risk, a gift to the community, or perhaps an anchor pulling us away from the quiet rhythms we've built. Ideas stir unbidden, dreams of what it could become, a space filled with young minds hungry for guidance, for opportunity, a place that fosters growth where there was once emptiness. It feels noble, even necessary, and yet, to plant such a seed, we must dig into our foundation, risk shaking what is secure.
We could afford it, that's the strangest part. We work hard, build our nest with caution, and now it's as though the universe whispers, you have the means, what will you do? What does having the means mean? We just take means. Could this be the start of something beautiful, or the undoing of the peace we worked so hard to create?
The shop sits there still, waiting, its fate seemingly tied to ours. The question lingers, weightless, but heavy all the same. Do we take this chance and step into the unknown, or do we let this moment pass, trusting that the universe has other plans?
The answer for now escapes us, but isn't that the very nature of fate? To lay the breadcrumbs and leave the rest to our courage. Watch it. Good morning, YouTubers.
Back away
1,
slowly.
2, 3, 4.
Careful. Good.
Red chocolate.
Right on top. To the table. You're welcome.
Nice and clean.
What do you think?
I'm an angel in disguise.
Hmm?
Wait.
Can you eat? Yeah?
It is different.
I'll take it. So just as we thought we were gonna have a relaxing Saturday chocolate-filled pancake morning, Andre, you decided to lodge some more money in the bank.
Yep.
Where'd this money come from?
My whole
Oh, that's a good spot. Okay, how much money is it?
100,000.
Try again.
100,000.
Makes how much? Makes...
100,000.
Andre, say it the other way around.
Okay.
Say the 1,000 first. You say the bigger one first. 1,000.
100.
1,100. Not 100,000. 1,100. Okay?
Oh.
Let's put it in the bank. 0 and 0 is how much?
No.
5 and 0 is how much?
5.
7 plus 1.
8.
9 plus 1.
What? 9 plus 1?
9 plus 1.
10.
1 plus 1.
2.
All right. That's your new number, sir. $20,850.
Yeah.
Give me the money. Give me the money.
My money.
In the bank. In the bank.
What?
Honey, it's not a competition, dear. Saturday morning. Water came in the pipe around like midnight. No, 1 o'clock in the morning. Got it filled up by 2. Worked out pretty well. Got the kids on Saturday morning chore duty. Junior's handling the water. Dave and Mara's handling the chicken feed. Andre's handling the dogs. Call this a productive morning. Hey, Spot. How you doing? You good? Yes, go get the egg. Right.
Yes, they are cool.
Home.
Okay, go get it. Doing great, guys.
Stop. Never. Have to be.
So yeah, kind of an interesting, thought-provoking morning this morning. If you paid attention to the interesting narrative this morning, yeah, there is a potential for opportunity. And we are actually headed to go view the property on Monday, 4 p.m. Tentatively, the realtor said. But it is literally within walking distance of our house. It is a split retail / living space. And yeah, one of the goals we originally had, when I say we, I mean we, was to do something productive for the community, and that environment would provide a really nice space to get to do that, while also possibly providing for some rental income or some sort of interesting arrangement. I don't know. It's an interesting looking property, a bit of a fixer-upper. We've been there before, and it won't completely bust the budget. You got more egg?
Yeah.
Cool.
And there's more eggs.
Okay.
A circle.
Okay.
And there is a two.
Yeah, how many eggs are there?
Oh,
A whole heap? Wow, there is a whole heap. How many do you have here? Count the eggs, man. How many you got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! And here comes some more. Yo. That's fine. It's fine. It's just the outside. We don't eat the outside, remember? So, we got 4 eggs. And 3 more eggs.
7.
Good job, Mario. I'm proud of you, Mario. You did it. And a puppy.
What I got for you guys.
Okay. Let's give him some foods.
Yeah.
All right, you got it? Let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You gotta throw it over. Throw it. Nice. Throw it on the chicken. Close enough. All right, I think they're gonna be good. All right, tell them goodbye for now.
Bye, chicken.
Okay, we got a new director of traffic up here. Apparently, I'm supposed to be going forward, but we are off to go look for some weights. I think we're gonna go check out Courts in Ocho Rios, and might even have to try the Chicken Hut. Maybe it's called the Chicken Hut. I don't know. There's a chicken place in Ocho Rios that we're gonna go have to try out. Are we good? Can you close the gate behind me?
Yeah.
Can you close the gate?
Okay.
Okay. Close the gate, please. Yeah. Chicken Shack. That's what it's called. Morez, go close the gate. Yeah, close the gate. The Chicken Shack, I think it's called. We're gonna go check out. See what we can find. A nice, breezy, sunny day where we're avoiding cutting the yard because we're retired. That's what we do. We might get out of here soon. Here we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we are on a mission to find some weights, some light dumbbells Andre has said he would like to invest in for his future health and prowess. And I figured maybe on the way back we try what's the Chicken Shack? Is that what it's called? Chicken Shack? Bird Shack? Chicken Shack?
Yeah.
Nobody knows the name of it? We'll figure it out. Here we go. What's it called?
Bird shack.
The Bird Shack. Going to the Bird Shack. I was way off. Bird Shack fried chicken.
Bird
Crispy, crunchy, tantalizing barbecue chicken. Satisfy your
Needs
hungry.
and wants and your
I
hunger.
don't think that's what it says.
What? Oh, barbecue.
All right, headed to the Bird Shack. Bird Shack without hitting the things. When we're ready, you guys need to give this a thorough evaluation after completing your eating. So be ready to put your judging scores on. How many out of 10 and why? Let's do this. Yep, ran away. Got my own first bottle of windshield wiper fluid while the kids are cleaning up. I'm not gonna lie, I can't believe that place isn't busy. Like, that's like KFC awesomeness at this point. Food was fantastic. The potato wedges were fantastic. We'll give the kids a chance to give you a review in just a minute, and I might actually find where to put windshield washer fluid in the car without embarrassing myself. Hopefully. Yeah, you know what I like about good old Toyota Voxies is it tells you exactly where to put it. Washer fluid only. Alright. Yeah, it's a little empty. That's cute. Here we go. Yo! Watch you make a mess in here. Alright.
Okay,
Huh?
thank you.
I'm gonna make a mess. Hold on. No whammies, no whammies, no whammies. Yay! Oh. Dave. Dave. Let me have my moment. I don't know how much of this is his, but I just got this smaller one. Okay, we could have held more. Oh well, that's enough for now.
A water?
Oh, it's windshield washer fluid.
What they look like? Water.
Blue. Cool.
Hello.
Still got it. Piece of cake. Be a mechanic in no time. Ugh. And hopefully we're off soon.
So we went to Bird Shack. The barbecue chicken is 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, and the fries is 10 out of 10 because I like how they fry the chicken and the fries with they season it good. How was the food?
Good.
Eh?
Good.
What you give?
One.
One?
Yeah.
I give the food 10 out of 10 because the barbecue is nice and spicy and fried chicken is salty and nice.
So I give the food a 10 out of 10. Cause barbecue chicken be nice and the fries be nice.
So I give the place 10 out of 10 because the baked chicken tastes good and the fries and the juice. Yeah. Stay tuned.
Okay, real quick. There is one thing we're going here for. Who remembers what it is?
We are going for a week.
Yes. So when you got, who's in charge of Sonia?
Nobody in charge. I'm in charge of
Somebody
myself.
keep your eyes on Sonia at all times. If we walk back into this car with anything besides weights, whose fault is it?
Sonia.
Sonia's.
Tyler Ford, talk on me. I Tyler,
Hello, me.
Tyler, this
Hello,
year
me.
we did go buy one bike.
Here we go.
I know me.
Bittersweet. We found a pair of 3-pound weights, but they apparently went with the elliptical bike. So we're gonna walk over to Fontana.
I look for them there, right?
Yeah. Here we go. They're coming. Whoa. We did it. We got 5s, we got 2s, we got 1s. And now we're done. Hopefully headed home. Just in time for ice cream, if they can stop them in time. Sweet. All right, are you ready? 2 5-pound weights. They're $19.50 each. 19.50 times 2. That's 3,900. Plus 2 2-pound weights, 500 each. 500 times 2.
L2.
Equals. Oh wait, we gotta add one more thing. Plus 2 1-pound weights at. Oh wait, the 2 pounds. The 5 pounds are 800 each. The 1 pounds. That's 500 each.
No, if I phone will not up the 5 pound down 13 firm don't get
Okay, $6,500.
Too much?
That's less, but then you get to call those weights yours. They are your weights.
Tara.
if I phone will not be me no.
1 second. Okay, it has been decided. That is not yours, that's Dave's. Alright, I need the one with your name on it. Yes. Cool. Alright. Here we go. Are we adding or subtracting today, sir? Subtracting, I know. Brace yourself. How much are we subtracting? $6,500 because we purchased your very own weights for yourself to get to use. So let's work on our subtraction skills. 0 take away 0. 0 take away 0. Andre, 0 take away 0. If you have 0 and you're taking away 0, how much do you have? 0? Okay. 5 take away 0. 5. Good. 8 take away 3. No, sorry. 8 take away 5. 3. Good. Now, a tough one is 20 take away 6. For the purpose of time, I will help you with that. That is 14. So, Andre, you don't have to get super emotional. Look how much money you still have. 14,350. I'm listening. But what? We put money into the bank, we get our money amount gets bigger. We buy stuff, those stuff get to be ours, and our money amount goes down a little bit. Yes. I can't hear you, your fingers in your mouth. What?
Yeah, give me back more money.
Yeah, we can earn more money. But right now, like just today was a takeaway. You put some in there this morning, we added it. We took away some right now, and then we'll put more and it'll go back up. That's how bank works. We put money in, it goes up. We buy stuff so we can have fun and enjoy it, it goes down.
Don't forget me.
Those are yours. Yours. How are they yours? Because you paid for them. Yeah? Watch this, watch this. Mares, put the weights down. Thank you. See how easy that was? You know why? Why? Because you paid for them. That's right. Any questions? Cool. Math. Thanks. Money.
From the YouTuber, they maybe give me more.
They might one day if you do a good job with your grades. Remember? A lot of people are really impressed with that. You keep doing well, they might give you more. I don't know. But you can only just do the best you can. And if they do, great. And if not, that's fine too. Okay? That's right. So keep trying your best. Hey, spell tomorrow. Uh-huh, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Keep working on it. Well, we've reached the sunset salutations, June plum edition. Telling you. Yo, what you doing? How you doing?
How was that?
That's my June plum.
Yeah, you done that.
You want one?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Cheers. All right. Yeah.
It's too tough.
You gotta.
It's too tough.
Come on, man.
It's too tough. It's too tough.
Here, you want that one? I'll trade you. Start that one for you.
It's too tough.
Better? Is that gonna work? Yeah. So, yep, we're gonna go check out the property Monday. We drove by it, may have stopped and just, took a little gander, a little look-see, and he thought this place was a fixer-upper. There's some fixing up and needed, but I think one thing that's motivated, at least me anyway, is projects, right? And that is not a short-term project. And the idea being that the variety of different possible services. Okay. Services that could be provided. I would like maybe an after-school tutoring program, maybe a computer technology, maybe a YouTube university warehouse. Who knows? And Sonia could maybe. I mean, it's big enough where it could be split into 2 separate entities, and there's 3 different door access points. Yeah. You didn't know? You're gonna eat it? I don't know why you. Give me it back. I want it. Thank you.
Egg.
No, man. I checked already. There's no eggs. There's no more eggs. No. Want to say hi to the YouTubers? Yeah. How was your day? Did you like the chicken?
Yes.
Yeah. Did you like the fries?
Yes.
Yeah. Did you like
Me like tea alone.
the what?
Tea alone, me like.
Tea?
Yeah.
Which tea was that? You had tea this morning?
Tuna tea.
Oh, it was good. I had some ginger tea. Yeah. So we'll see. It's a possibility. We're gonna go check it out Monday, tentatively, and let you guys know. Definitely a long-term project, but it could provide a little bigger purpose light at the end of the tunnel.
I'm holding it.
You're gonna eat it? No, you're not holding it. I'm gonna eat it.
Where pick it from?
The June plum tree.
Where I pick it?
Mm-hmm.
No want none.
I'm sorry you don't want them. The puppies love it. Oh, hey.
You put it in. You don't want.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right. You ready to figure out what's for dinner?
Yeah.
What's for dinner?
Pancakes.
Actually, I think there's still a couple chocolate pancakes.
Yes, and then we eat pancakes.
Maybe. We'll see. But we're gonna go check out the place Monday. We'll get some video footage for everybody.
Yeah.
Some contemplating conversations. Yeah.
And then we go back to the that's where and go put out the mash.
Yeah. What he said. Stay tuned. We'll see.
One day,
Where's mine?
if you,
No, no, you.
I'm my one,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm my one.
Come on, happy birthday.
Up.
Ow, you smacked me in the nose, dude.
Up.
Oh, fuck.